your iPhone not charging? That can be frustrating, but don't worry. There are a few things that could be causing this, from software glitches to issues with the charging port, cable, or adapter. Luckily, I'm here to guide you through some troubleshooting steps that will help you get your iPhone charging again. Solution 1. Check your charging cable and adapter. A broken cable and faulty adapter is often the culprit behind charging problems. First, try using a different charger. Make sure it's Apple certified to rule out problems with the one you're using. If possible, try plugging it into a different power outlet to make sure the issue isn't with the power source. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Sometimes dirt or dust builds up in the charging port, preventing your iPhone from charging properly. Grab a flashlight and take a close look at the charging port for any debris. Use a small dry brush or even a toothpick to gently clean out any dirt or dust. Be careful not to damage the port. Once it's clean, plug the charger back in to see if it charges. Solution 3. Enable low power mode. Turning on low power mode can help your iPhone charge faster by reducing background activities that drain the battery. Open the Settings app, then tap Battery. Next, toggle low power mode on. This can help speed up charging, especially when your battery is low and you need a quick boost. Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. If your iPhone software is outdated, it could be causing charging issues. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, make sure to install it. This could fix the charging issue by improving performance. If you've tried everything and your iPhone still isn't charging, then it might be time to visit an Apple repair store to check for hardware issues. I hope this guide helps you fix your iPhone charging problem. Let me know in the comments if these steps work or if you still have questions. I'm here to help.